Hey everyone, welcome to Beyond Curry Leaf. Let's start making chicken kebabs using ground chicken. I love using Purdue chicken for this recipe. You can also ask your butcher to grind fresh chicken for you. For healthier option, use Purdue's ground chicken breast. We want these kebabs to be juicy. There are two ways to achieve that: by adding grated onion or grated boiled potato. I had a small piece of onion left that I'm grating very carefully. However, I recommend using an intact onion, so whole onion, for grating on a mandolin, as it is definitely much safer. Next, we will squeeze out the water using a paper towel or a thin cloth. My grated onions are a little long, so I will roughly chop them. If you're using boiled potato, remove the skin and grate it. We will either use red chilies or green chilies. I love green chilies, but their heat can be unpredictable. I always use red chili in this recipe if I'm making it for my children to ensure a consistent spice level. If you choose to use green chilies, blend the chilies, garlic, and ginger together ahead of time. Don't worry, we won't be adding all of this ginger. We will grate the ginger and garlic since we are using the red pepper today. By the way, this is my recipe book. It doesn't have all of my recipes, but it includes the ones I make most. I follow my measurements just as I'm telling you for a perfect result every time. Add turmeric, red pepper, roasted cumin powder, Pippali, which is also known as long pepper. It has a little milder, slightly sweeter flavor and distinct smell compared to the sharper and more strong tasting black pepper. But if you don't have Pippali, then go ahead and substitute black pepper for it. Garam masala, coriander powder. Chaat masala is optional at this point. I prefer to add it once kebabs are cooked. Lemon juice, grated ginger, grated garlic, add finely chopped cilantro leaves, and hand-torn mint. Lastly, add grated onions or grated boiled potatoes, whichever one you decided to use today, to make these kebabs juicier. Mix everything well together. For the purpose of this video, I made this recipe in a bowl, but what I normally do, I mix it using a Ziploc bag like I'm showing you here, instead of using a bowl. It's just so much easier. Massage the mixture to evenly distribute all the spices in the chicken. If you plan to grill these kebabs on skewers, add some roasted gram flour, which is our daliya powder, and that would help with the binding. Once it's evenly mixed, remove the air from the bag and roll it in a log shape. Seal it tightly. Look how delicious it looks, you guys. I mean, it's evenly mixed and it just looks so amazing already. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Wet your palm with water. This will help you roll the kebabs without them sticking to your hands. I am not grilling my kebabs. I like to pan fry them. It's just so much easier. So I am not adding the daliya powder. Let's start cooking our kebabs. We are gonna first preheat our non-stick pan. Did you know ghee is better than oil or butter because it can handle high cooking temperatures without burning? It's also good for your gut, and it adds a delicious nutty flavor to the food. How you serve your kebab is as important as how you make them. After cooking, place the kebab on a plate, add melted butter or ghee, squeeze some lemon juice, sprinkle plenty of chaat masala, and enjoy them with my kebab chutney, which I will be mentioning in detail in the recipe below. Until next time, take care.